Ranger Davis here with ADI Supply and the RTA Cabinet Mall. Today, I'm going to show you how to get cheap cabinets. Cabinets at a good price. So you want to remodel your kitchen. I know what you're looking for. You want what we all want. You want an experienced contractor to walk in, say it'll be $800 and I'll have the job done by tomorrow at noon. Probably not going to happen. I think you know better. More than likely, your contractor is going to say he needs 20, 30, 50,000 or more, and he could probably be back in 3 months to start demolition. Yikes! So maybe you'll try your local home store and see what kitchen packages they have on sale. Pretty quickly, you're going to realize there is no bargains there either. So before you give up on your dream kitchen, you should ask yourself, can I do this work myself? I'm here to tell you, yes, you can. And you can save literally thousands and thousands of dollars by being your own contractor. So, let's talk about the 3 big expensive pieces to a kitchen remodel: countertops, appliances, and cabinets. Yes, there's other plumbing. You might need a new sink. There's backsplashes, knobs, handles, pulls. Maybe even you want new lighting. But first, let's talk about countertops. Countertops is probably one of those items you want to have done locally. You need a professional, especially if you're doing granite or a synthetic countertop. It's just one of those things that requires specialized equipment. It's important to get it custom fit and professionally installed. And then there's appliances. Appliances is another item that you're not likely to get a bargain on by shopping online. You go to a local retailer, always the first thing I do is ask for the scratch and dent sale. I always get a warranty, whether I pay a retail price or not. I never buy used. Just had too many problems. I don't recommend it. Maybe it's good for you. Now let's talk about cabinets. Cabinets is one of those components that you can really leverage the world trade system. Let me explain. Cabinet manufacturers, like most manufacturers in this country, have been buying components from overseas, talking about China. Yes, the big manufacturers here, you know the names, are buying doors, sides, boxes, cabinet components from the Chinese. They're no different from any other, trying to maximize profits for their shareholders. I don't know how you feel about it. I think it's just the natural evolution of the way our economy is. Sadly, these cabinet manufacturers have chosen not to pass the savings on to you. That's where I come in. I'm a distributor of RTA cabinets. RTA stands for Ready to Assemble. And that's where your savings come in. Not only do you cut out the manufacturers that no longer manufacture, you cut out their assembly charges as well. So now, you're probably asking yourself, Self, where can I get these wonderful cabinets that Granger's been telling me about? Well, I'm going to tell you. There's a link down below for the RTA Cabinet Mall.com. You just click on that link, click on cabinets, select your door style, send us a drawing of your kitchen with measurements of your walls, where your appliances are going, if there's any windows in the way, where your sink is, etc. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe.
Thank you.